Hey guys, good morning. We're on our cross-country solo from Daytona to Gainesville. We're just here in the before start checklist. So the passenger crew brief, we've completed that already in dispatch. Seats are fastened, the seats are upright. Airport diagram, we have it. Fuel selector valve is on both. Fuel shut-off valve is in. Mixture is idle, and the throttle is 1/4 inch in. The standby battery, we'll test it. And we'll power it up. Okay, system's coming up.
I missed call signs at Jetty's 127.
Correct, Jetty's 127.
Jetty's 127, ground to runway 7 left at November 5, taxi via Whiskey November.
Right, so we got the engine start checklist. The master switch is on. The beacon light is on. Prime. Ready for about 5 seconds. Okay, starter. We're going to engage it. Clear prop.
Ground up at 2705. We got her going. That should be maybe 5 to 10 minutes.
Still 2705. Okay, you said pushing in about 5 to 10 minutes.
Yeah, we'll be pushing in within the next 5 minutes, so maybe a flow time of I don't know, 10 minutes from now.
Daytona Beach International Airport information, Kilo 10530 observation, wind 1004 at 4, visibility 10. 3,800 scattered, temperature 212.13, altimeter 3015. Visual approach to runway 7 left and use lane, turning runway 7 left and 7 right. Approach being conducted to parallel and intersecting runways. NOTAMs. Has further information for Coast Waters available on flight service frequencies. Multiple cranes and drones in the vicinity of Daytona Beach. Orman TAC-ins out of service.
Okay, we got the ATIS, we got 3015 on the old chair. We'll contact clearance. Daytona clearance, good morning. Jetty's 121, student pilot solo requesting VFR flight following to Gainesville with information Kilo.
Jetty's 121. Yeah. What altitude did you want to go to Gainesville at?
Final cruising altitude will be 4,500.
Jetty's 121, maintain VFR to below 3,500. Departure frequency is 125.8. Score 3426.
3426, 125.8. Maintain VFR at 3,500 feet or below. Jetty's 121.
Jetty's 121, read back correct ground pounder.
Daytona ground, good morning. Jetty's 121, student pilot solo requesting taxi to the active from shelter.
Jetty's 121, ground 7 left at November 5, taxi Whiskey November.
7 left, November 5, taxi via Whiskey in November, Jetty's 121.
Delta 2705, taxi.
Delta 2705, ground 7 left, taxi via November.
November 7 left, Delta 2705.
So we got a Delta 737 in front of us. That happens sometimes when you're flying at Daytona. Just keep our distance from him. Today's flight to Gainesville, we're going to depart 7 left, turn northbound along the shoreline, just north of Summer Haven, and then we're going to turn to the west, just fly north of Palatka, maintain that parachuting area, and then south of the restricted area, go straight to Gainesville. We'll land there, we'll taxi back to the runway, and we'll take off right back to Daytona. The estimated flight time on the way to Gainesville is going to be 50 minutes. The way back should be about an hour. Right, so we're going to do the before takeoff run-up. We got park
Daytona ground maintenance 50, clear to airfield.
Are free.
Finish 50, roger.
Selective valves on both. Mixture control is fully forward. Oil temperature is in the green. And we're going to throttle forward to 1800 RPM. So now we're going to test the right magneto. Hold down to about 1730. Put it back with both. Put up the left one. Pulse about 16. Everything is fine. And put it back on both. Now we're going to cut the power to idle. 850, that's good. And we'll put it back 1200 and we'll lean it again.
Return to go on operations 8, clear 7 left, November 11, like to continue, November Echo.
So the before takeoff run-up is complete, and before takeoff,
ground, JD's 191, shelter, taxi.
Takeoff briefing, we're going to have about
taxi, whiskey,
just
November.
over 5,000 feet runway, we only need just
November
about
5, whiskey,
100 feet.
November, jet 191.
If we
And
lose
also, you said you clear the airfield?
during takeoff, we'll just
Negative,
brake on the
clear
runway,
runway
just any of it, and
November
then
11, like to
right after
continue by
takeoff, we'll either try to go to
I got you. I'll say the
Taxi,
or
just land straight ahead and follow
November Echo, and on to 16, hold short
Speed is
7
going to be
left.
55.
Proceed by November Echo onto 160 short 7 left, operations 8.
JD's 121, 7 left to November 5, clear for takeoff.
7 left, November 5, clear for takeoff, JD's 121. We got the mixture in. Lights are all on. We got panel clear. We got fuel at both. We got trim and takeoff. Mixture fully in. Flaps are up. And the timer has started. Let's go. Forward. Power set. All in the green.
010, turn left heading 030, contact.
Speed alive.
JD's 132, 7 left at November 6 intersection, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 7 left at November 6 intersection, JD's 132.
So volume up a bit. But it's much better.
JD's 121, turn left heading 030, contact departure.
Left 030, switching departure, JD's 121. So we're going to turn left heading 030 and switch departure 125.8.
Clear track 339, 7 right.
Daytona departure, good morning, JD's 121, student pilot solo, with you passing 1,200.
This 121 Daytona departure, radar contact, maintain 3,500.
Maintain 3,500, JD's 121.
867, you can contact tower on 120.7.
Okay, our climb checklist, we got fuel at both, trim's good, mixture is fully in, we're not going to lean in on this cross country. And the lights are on, we can turn off the landing and taxi. Speed looking good.
I'm sorry, I'm climbing.
Okay, so we've reached Summer Haven. We're going to turn left heading 0283.
500 upon reaching advice park, any altitude changes.
We're going to get some tailwind. There's about 20 knots. It's going to slow me down on the way back though. Okay, we got 283, and we got the cooling towers in sight. It's our next waypoint. We're approaching the cooling towers. I'll tell you guys a little bit about myself. I'm 26 years old. I just started at Phoenix East Aviation flight school just about a month and a half ago. I'm in stage 3. I just started stage 3 today out of my private pilot course. It's the way the Phoenix school does their program. There's 3 stages for every course. It's a part 141. So have to this day just under 290 flight hours I used to fly for the Air Force. I was a flight cadet for 3 years. I flew Texans and the M346, so I got a little bit of flight experience. Okay, so we're just about 20 miles from Gainesville. So we got the ADS. We're going to be landing on runway 11, even though they usually like to switch at the runway 11. But we'll see. Wait to calm.
Jacksonville approaching 127 pump.
Base 121, connect Gainesville Tower 19.55.
Switching Gainesville Tower 119.55, Jetty 121, thank you.
South of Noonan's Lake. South of Noonan's Lake, join the right base, runway 7.
It's a bit loud.
Roger that, we'll fly southwest of the airfield and roger south of Newman's Lake for the right base for runway 7, Jetty 132.
Number 22010, you can fly westbound now. Just let me know when you cross the lake, turning base for runway 7.
Cross the lake and runway 7 right base, 22010.
Gainesville Tower, good morning, Jetty 121 with you, student pilot solo. We are 15 miles east of the field, out of 4,000 for inbound full stop. With information, Victor.
Jetty 121 Gainesville Tower, the new altimeter 3021. I want you to fly southwestbound and be south of Noonan's Lake and join the right base, runway 7.
Copy. The altimeter is 3021. We'll fly, we'll join the field via the south. And we'll join the right base for runway 7, Jetty 121.
Base 121, you do have company traffic at your 12 o'clock, 4 miles, 3,600 feet, same direction.
Copy, looking for traffic. Okay, so we're just the joining base, right base, runway 7, we're number 2. So the student pilot solo in front of us. We're going to descend to traffic pattern altitude at 1,000. And then base and final. The final is going to be a little bit into the sun, but it'll be fine. We're just a tiny bit high. We'll drop down class 30 or 72 knots. The power on idle. A little bit. We got runway 07 identified.
Jetty 132, if able, turn left on taxiway Charlie.
Roger that, we'll turn left on Charlie, Jetty 132, thank you.
Jetty 132, are you a taxi back for departure?
No, I'll be taxiing to the general aviation ramp.
Jetty 132, roger, just continue that taxi straight across Alpha into the ramp.
Continue taxi straight across Alpha into the ramp, Jetty 132, thank you for your help.
Gainesville Tower Skyhawk 22010, holding short runway 11 approach area, ready for eastbound departure to St. Augustine Airport.
Cessna 22010, Gainesville Tower, taxi up and hold short of runway 7.
Also runway 7, 22010.
Okay. Bring the brakes. We're gonna be left on Charlie.
Katie's 121, Gainesville Tower, you headed to the ramp as well?
Negative, we're gonna go back to the runway. We're gonna take left on Charlie and then back to the runway.
On Charlie taxiway, then runway 7, taxi via Alpha, hold short of the runway 11 approach area.
Taxi via Charlie and Alpha back to runway 7 and holding short of the 11 approach area, Jetties 121. Oh, we just landed at Gainesville. Took us about 51 minutes. So just a tiny bit longer than what was planned. And I just got off the runway, taxied back. We're going to take off.
12 Charlie, taxi back for your IFR.
We're going to take off back to Daytona.
Hey, 12 Charlie Papa, I just want to, I have an outbound for you. You're going to just taxi back for your IFR.
Yes, sir. Taxi back for the IFR.
And take the left turn there on Charlie for a 12 Charlie Papa.